PG certification in machine learning and deep learning. So this is another profile for EC engineers, which is IT related profile. So basically this is a subject of computer science, that is deep learning, machine learning, neural nets, etc. So electronics engineers also do have these kind of subjects in their last year semesters. So the topics which are covered here are data science toolkit, then introduction to Python for data science, data visualization in Python. So Python is a main that means important software in this machine learning. Now data visualization in Python, data analysis using SQL. So SQL is a software, advanced SQL and best practices. Now data analysis in Excel, analytics, problem solving. So this comes under data science toolkit. So this is basically a toolkit, that means that means it is a set of short useful things. That means in database management or data science degree, these are short toolkits. That means these are small parts of that data science uh, whole entire industry. So this is a toolkit actually. Statistics and exploratory data analytics. Exploratory data analytics, investment assignment, inferential statistics, hypothesis training, lending club case study. So this is regarding statistics and data analytics. So statistics include the previous performance of different companies, different stocks, etc. So these comes under statistics. So we will deal with that. Machine learning, linear regression, assignment, linear regression, logistic regression, naive Bayes module selection, machine learning 2. So in machine learning we will study linear regression, then logistic regression, naive Bayes. Now machine learning 2 we will study advanced regression assignment, support vector machines, tree models, etc. Model selection, practical consideration boosting, unsupervised learning, that is clustering. Now unsupervised learning principle, component analysis, telecom churn case study. Now deep learning, introduction to neural network, convolutional neural network assignment, recurrent neural network, gesture recognition project. So unsupervised learning comes under the neural net. That means supervised learning is like learning with a teacher, and unsupervised learning is self learning, learning through real world data, that is unsupervised learning.